Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something truly special for all the music enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of ukuleles, and I'm excited to present to you the best Hawaiian ukulele available in the market. Introducing the Donner Concert Ukulele Beginner Mahogany 23-inch Ukulele Kit. This ukulele isn't just an instrument, it's a gateway to a world of musical creativity and expression. Let's delve into what makes this ukulele stand out from the rest. Crafted from durable mahogany, this concert ukulele boasts a premium wood body, ensuring a crisp and pleasant sound with every strum. Paired with a well-polished rosewood fingerboard and 18 rounded brass frets, playing this ukulele is an absolute delight. But wait, there's more. When you invest in the Donner Concert Ukulele, you're not just getting an instrument. You're getting a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to kickstart your musical journey. From a padded gig bag for convenient storage and protection to a digital clip-on tuner for easy tuning, this kit has you covered. And here's the cherry on top: free online video lessons designed specifically for ukulele beginners. Whether you're an adult looking to pick up a new hobby or a novice eager to learn, these professional lessons will have you strumming your favorite tunes in no time. With rave reviews like these, it's clear that the Donner Concert Ukulele is a game-changer in the world of music. Whether you're camping under the stars, performing outdoors, or simply strumming away at home, this ukulele is your perfect companion. That wraps up our review of the Donner Concert Ukulele Beginner Mahogany 23-inch Ukulele Kit. If you're ready to unleash your musical potential, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep strumming and singing your heart out.